How to enable dark mode in Chase mobile app. So first things first, you do have to keep in mind that there is no actual or specific settings that you can just immediately tap for you to be able to activate dark mode in Chase Bank. Chase Bank doesn't have that kind of feature. But what you want to do alternatively is just to tweak some part of the settings on your phone. Now, this is going to be depending on your operating system. If you're under device, just simply go to settings and then just simply scroll down a bit and then hit display and brightness. You should now then be able to customize it, whether if it's going to be through a light mode or dark mode. Now you can also try to adjust settings from dark mode options. You can enable from the individual apps enabled Chase Bank application so that it will also take effect on the dark mode option on your phone. That's it. That is how you enable dark mode in Chase mobile app.